Setting up voicemail on your Metro by T-Mobile phone starts with dialing 86 from your device. Follow the automated prompts to create a personal identification number. Choose 4 to 10 digits that are secure and hard to guess. Next, record a voicemail greeting. You can keep the default message or create a personalized greeting up to 30 seconds long. If you forget your PIN, contact customer service at 611 for assistance in resetting it. Completing these steps secures your voicemail and ensures callers hear a personal greeting. A convenient alternative to dialing is using the T-Mobile app linked to your Metro account. Start by downloading and opening the app. Once open, navigate to Account, then Services, and select Voicemail to access the settings. Enable visual voicemail if prompted. This allows you to read transcriptions of your messages. Then set your PIN for security and record your greeting directly within the app. This method offers advantages like multiple greetings and syncing across devices, making voicemail management more flexible and user-friendly.